this kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below.
Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 87 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet. They're continuing the little finger in this issue. After looking at Tony Stark in the past, historical Iron Man. Fair enough, yeah, there we go. Dealing with the devil. Right, so yes, this is what we're building. Just a couple of parts to slip together on this one. We've got the little washer and the plastic bits, a metal bit that we're not putting on yet. Spreading this bit out for quite a little while. There we go, we've got to put that together. Keep these for next time when we're going to be doing more stuff. So, yeah, it's almost finished. It's looking almost finished now. Obviously, we haven't quite done this finger because there's been a missing issue, but we'll get to it soon. But the whole that, we've got this bit still to do. We've actually got the bit on the other side to do because of a missing issue. But it's almost there, and this is the final finger. So yeah, I'm interested in getting into it. Deathbird, the firstborn. I don't know who Deathbird is. I know that's apparently Deathbird, and is that Ms. Marvel? Ms. Marvel. Oh, yeah, all good things. Feel free to pause and read all of the words if you like. Jim Lee, another artist, or yeah, star artist of the X-Men in the late 80s and early 90s. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get these parts put together. So this is what we've got. That's from previously. We've got these bits that we're not doing anything with this time round. That's the bit that covers over the inside bit, or the outside bit. We've got the washer, which we're putting over the post, the long post there, just like so. And that will then go through there, that way round. No, that way round. Goes over that. Doesn't. Wait, what? Oh, it's gone. Yeah, it is that way round, but it's showing it the other way up. But I can't turn that up because then the washer will fall off. That goes on there like so. Because that's going to go over there eventually. Line up in there. And that's going to go over that bit. Like that. But not yet. We'll put those aside. We'll be using those next time when we get the other side of this together. So for now, that's it. Thank you for watching. I shall see you for more very soon. It's taken a while, this gauntlet, because of delivery issues, but we'll get there in the end. So see you soon. Bye-bye for now.